Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. Hey, one to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horace Lewis, LB, representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one in our stand. Surfer, ever in demand, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of DanceHall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Now, people, the killing continues in today's episode of DanceHall Bomb as two men were reported killed in a drive-by shooting on Grandspin Avenue, St. Andrews, Sunday afternoon. The deceased men were both of Grandspin Avenue. Address have not been identified yet. DanceHall Bomb understands that the incident occurred about 3 p.m. The fleeing gunmen reportedly abandoned a car on Queens and Chisholm Avenue in Richmond Park and were able to successfully elude police who responded to the incident. Police sources say the death has nothing to do with the alleged conflict associated with the entertainer Joshi, whose brother was killed in the community on Saturday. Sources from the community say the flare-up of violence is due to a conflict rival between gunmen from both sections of the area. Now people, you see it more, you can't quick for point fingers, you know, because you see it. People already have said, because of Joshi brother drop out say retaliation, but no, it has been reported to the Star and multiple and credible media sources saying that this is not because of Josh's brother, this is between two sides of fight. But that's what they must say, people, make we see it play out. But we have Mr. Vegas here, give Josh a word of advice, people. Make we hear him say about the situation.
Me, Mr. G. British, I represent for dancehall bomb without no apology.
And I said that, look at you here. You know, powerful, you know. And the people I'm ready for work with him. You can see say Jamaican people I'm ready for work with him and the internet people them. So when I have to look now where it go wrong after that. Where it went wrong after that now, Virgin, is that interview went up on air. That interview make him became a household name.
Facts.
It became a household name and get him name got bigger than even any song we have. See? The problem now is when him do the interview, man like me and a few other people did I say, yo, youth, that is not the way to go. That's something the way you come now, drink, one set, boom, boom, bam, bam. If a man try to kill me, I go kill him. Ray, all of them things there, yeah. You can score clicks and give you good comments and give you good likes on the internet, you know, but you see when trouble take you, fit no shot fit you, and you're alone tonight. The problem is, you have some youth now in other business here with them less educated than even them local youth here, but here we go on. Because them have certain status, the youth them still look up to them. Youth them more educated than them, you know, but the youth them still look up to them. Why? Because the youth them think say, if them go under them wing, them are going to get the ratings from the people and them are going to bust big. And that's not necessarily the case because enough of the man them boy, them don't know if it guide the little youth them when them see them go off a track. And the youth them never listen to people like me. Why? Because I'm on a street cred. And them want street cred. You see what I say? But if we go back, go look, Virgin, go look at all of the people, them big people. You see all the Virgin when I know him, Oral Tracy, where he's a big respectable man. And I see him do that endorse with Joshi do. And he man say, yo, Star, nothing the man do there. And I say, big people, respectable people, artists, selector, everybody did that. Encourage the youth down the path where the youth did that go. And me was the one that say, he said, 100 man there with the back of you, find some work, give them do. Give them for do. Even the people them where, remember say the man make a talk and say, him not go rate, something like him not rate Shabba and Sean Paul or something like so.
Yeah.
Reach out to them and they not do a song with him and Ray. I come and say, yo, Shabba ranks them enough tune with the young artists, man, and Sean Paul them do song with young artists because You don't know because nobody no correct him. Nobody no correct him. And the people them with him think say, them people I got dead for him. I'm asking a question. How much of them people when they put up a video and say, yo, I'm saying is virgin. You see, when I look at youth, I go down a part, virgin, and we have the elders, them, and we have the people where they both here and know that system. Yeah. We have the youth, them boy, the people, them boy, have to encourage them and put them on the right track. Them always fall by the wayside, virgin, and end up a prison or end up dead. That's how you always go. Mental.
Now people, the best advice to Josh him just keep himself wide like when I keep himself off of the media. You lose a brother, you know say you have to think about all sorts of things that run through your head, you understand? I don't know how that feeling they go come, I never experienced that yet, but I'm gonna tell you say, play that straight. Surround yourself with criminal elements right now, you might find yourself in a bigger bangarang, you understand? But you keep yourself with some security and keep yourself safe. Leave out of the Grand Spanier if you did it. If them say they're a small island, keep yourself where you say that. We don't really know where they because we don't see up on the media, we don't see her go on with nothing. We just see her keep yourself under the radar, which is good because them shot after you. You don't know where you go already. Now people, L.A. Lewis is officially a wanted man. People after this prank, people, it has been reported on the news that he is definitely wanted by the police to turn himself in. I have a clip here to play for you guys what he actually did. People, it's just funny, you know. I don't know if L.A. Lewis do these things for publicity or he's just being himself, people, but watch this clip.
Hey, DanceHall bomb, pussy clot to them. Them even bad like the slippers where we use go shitting at the bathroom with. And we say DanceHall bomb. Hey, outside.
Let me show you the people. So, imagine now they look at normal man, them people. What time the normal people are going to reach work, people? What time the normal people are going to reach work, people? See, it's a you have to drive for that thing called the soft shoulder now, people. You understand?
Social media blogger Horace Lewis following a brazen video in which he appeared to be disobeying the road code. In the video posted on X, formerly Twitter, Lewis was seen apparently recording himself using the lay-by to avoid a line of traffic along a busy roadway. It's not clear when or where the video was recorded, but the police told our news center that checks were made at his house in St. Catherine and another location in St. Andrew. However, Lewis was not seen. The police said they have since seized Lewis's vehicle after he abandoned the motor car and eluded the police on Constance.
Now people, that's the 7-star general using the soft shoulder, people. I don't know what point he's trying to prove, if he's just trying to show you that Jamaica needs better roads or what, but the soft shoulder, I know it's for police and government officials, people. Yeah, which is the police and emergency vehicle and all of them things there. L.A. Lewis decided to use it. I guess he must have regular people, so him is the Maroon High Chief as him claim. I don't know if him can go to court and get through with all them allegations. I don't know if I'm gonna get a 6-month time face this time to reflect on. But people, leave a comment in the comment section and make you know what I go on. Now people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.